This is probably the last place you expected to be, on a website looking for information on how to report your employer or a company you do work with. That you even made it here is amazing. Many companies tell their workers and vendors that as compliance professionals, they are not eligible for government whistleblower programs. Some even threaten legal action against folks that go outside with their complaints. According to the SEC, 80% of whistleblowers try to fix problems internally before seeking legal help and before filing a whistleblower claim. We believe the other 20% knows that trying to report internally will be futile, will result in the whistleblower losing his or her job, or that the people behind the wrongdoing are the very ones running the company. That is, senior management or the board of directors. I said before that it is amazing you even found us. We're certainly glad you did. You're in the right place. By seeking information on whistleblowing, you have taken an important first step. Individuals who perform internal audit, compliance, and legal functions for companies are on the front lines in the battle against fraud and corruption. You are privy to the very information that can help stop fraud and rampant corporate greed. There are a variety of whistleblower programs available to compliance personnel. To be sure, there are a couple extra hurdles that accountants, lawyers, and compliance professionals face, but we can walk you through those. Our whistleblower legal team consists of former government attorneys, prosecutors, and agents, present-day certified fraud examiners, a former high-profile whistleblower, and even the former investigations chief from the SEC. We understand the unique needs of compliance professionals. We have the experience and knowledge necessary to protect your rights, stop the fraud, and earn you the maximum awards possible. At the end of this video is a link for a free ebook written solely for lawyers, accountants, and compliance officials. It will answer many of your more technical questions. In this video, I will just cover some of the highlights and debunk the myths. First, compliance officers can be whistleblowers, despite what you may read or what your employer may tell you. Under the SEC whistleblower program, compliance personnel and auditors are generally not eligible to participate in the program unless 1. A disclosure is necessary to prevent substantial financial harm to the company or investors, or 2. You have a reasonable belief that the company will impede an investigation or cover up its wrongdoing, or 3. You reported the problems internally and the problems weren't fixed within 120 days. Those are the restrictions in the SEC program. The other whistleblower programs have even fewer restrictions on claims made by compliance officers. Because you are at this website, our experience tells us that you probably already reported to management and were either ignored or punished. You may also be here because the wrongdoing is quite serious. Lawyers and accountants that wish to participate in a whistleblower program have separate ethical constraints they must deal with. We understand those too. Sometimes we can build a case with non-privileged information, or at least help you decide what you can and can't say. Many successful whistleblowers have been compliance professionals, just like yourself. You spent many years in school learning your craft. If the company that hired you to ferret out fraud now wants to ignore you, we can help. You are not powerless, the good guys can win, and David certainly can take on Goliath. Thank you for your time. We look forward to your questions and to hearing from you.